Evolution controller, the appeal I have with it is the touch display on the pad, the digital display, the USB port, the easy functions for the end user, and the advanced settings for the irrigation contractor.
I put it in at Griffith University at Mount Gravatt in Brisbane, and they like technology. They like to keep up to date with the information. They're quite satisfied. They want me to put another one in.
Operational is good, easy to troubleshoot through the controller, which is another bonus for an irrigator contractor to troubleshoot through a controller first, and just your general use of running a controller.
These Evolution controllers are much better than the Greenkeepers, which is what we want, and maintain and keep up with the modern technology. Pretty easy to follow the instructions, which makes it easy for the end users.
The Evolution controller is something I will use even on a light commercial job to a residential job. It suits all requirements needed. The packaging's good. When you walk into an irrigation store, you can see the Toro Evolution controller sitting there on the shelf. It stands out with its nice red and black colours. The Toro Evolution controller leads the way in smart technology for the end user, for the irrigation contractor, with its easy use, how to program it, how to save things, how to store things, is leading the way.